Welcome to Auto Crash Media. Today you will witness some of the craziest and the most ridiculous idiots in cars. So sit back and enjoy pure entertainment. Well, that's an interesting way of cleaning a tire.
Look at this. Look at this. She's watching videos.
That's how this woman cuts in line. Must have had a bad day. That's how we roll in England. Instant karma at its best. These kids learned their lesson really quick.
Y'all got them brownie batter milkshakes? Ew, no, fuck you.
This man was furious at the other driver, until he discovered that he was an undercover police officer. This is your daily reminder to clean your car. Snow truck driver is just enjoying his work. Police officer just standing here and enjoying the view. This is how you truly drive a Lexus.
अरे भाई शिट
Fucking crazy.
This car lost some weight along the way to become faster.
kid.
This driver thought he could make it on time. Like the video, subscribe and share a laugh with a friend.